Hi there, and thanks for watching this video on our first account, first live dedicated account for PipJet. Throughout the video, we're going to be doing some commentary regarding this account. Again, this is PipJet's first account. As you can see, this account and all other accounts are being hosted with MT Rocket, which is an independent MT4 statement publishing service. As you can see, the status of the account is verified real, which means it's trading with real money live. The account started trading August 2010 with a deposit of $1,000 with the risk set to low, which is great for conservative traders. PipJet allows traders to decide what type of risk they want to trade with. Every trader has different risk tolerance. So the deposit was $1,000. The actual account is actually a little over $4,000 in profit right now. Let's go back to the beginning of the account. Prior to this account, we traded variations of the robot on a general account. Still real money. We made quite a few attempts to fine-tune PipJet's strategy. By the way, the statement will be updating as I talk throughout the video because it updates every few minutes. So back to the video. We made several attempts to fine-tune the strategy of the robot. During these attempts, which took around 7 months of trial and error, which cost us a lot of money in deposits, we learned a lot, and I stressed a lot. We managed to better understand how the US CAD behaves during the Asian session, gathered more data that allowed us to adjust the robot's parameters better, add and remove filters. We talked about this in the strategy overview. We developed a price action indicator, a few other indicators, which were a huge help to the performance of the robot, until we managed to get the robot into a place where we said, okay, we're going to start a real account to see how the robot performs with the end result of the strategy. And this is that first account. One thing to note, the robot obviously is very accurate, but one thing you do want to notice here, this losing trade over here on the 24th of August 2010, the account suffered a 61 pip loss. Being the first production account, we were still fine-tuning the strategy slightly and learning as we went. The loss occurred because the robot's spread and tick volume filtering mechanism, as outlined in step number 3 of the trade entry criteria of the robot strategy outline, which we already covered, weren't really adjusted. And let's mention that here real quickly. That's really the bottom line of a robot, is updates. Okay. That's why our first robot, Forex Megadroid, enjoyed so many updates. If you were on board with us when we launched that robot, you received 10 times the updates. If you were part of our team for the past 3 years, you know that we always update our robot. And there's really no other way to trade accurately and profitably over the long term. If you don't study the market constantly and adapt the robot's trading strategy according to market conditions, technological changes, volatility changes, that's really, and you can count on us. If you become a PipJet owner, we will always be updating the robot as time goes by, because we feel that that's absolutely the only way to establish long-term profitability and consistency. So after this loss, we did update the robot strategy, and as you can see, it paid off. The account continued growing over time, and as you can see, the accuracy of the robot is pretty impressive. You can actually access this and all the other accounts yourself through our website. You can study everything on here trade by trade. This is our first account, which again, the robot had a small update at the beginning of trading. Since then, it's been performing quite well. And thanks for watching the video for account number 1. Make sure you watch the videos for the other accounts.